Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you wheat pie. So I have in there my wholemeal flour and I'll add my plain flour. Next I'll add my nutmeg. It's optional. Then salt. And my turmeric. And I'll mix all the dry ingredients together till well combined. And now I'll add in my vegetable fat. So this is the brand I'm using for this recipe. And I'll also mix it together till well incorporated. This is what I achieved. Next I'll add in my oat milk. And then now I'll dust the surface with wheat flour and roll my dough and then cut it. You can use any cutter that you have. You can use a lid or a cup to achieve the size and the shape that you want. And now this is water, so what I'll do is I'll just dab water on all over before I add in my filling. So it's just water. I'll be using boiled egg for my filling. Someone will ask, can we use boiled egg? Yes, I can't remember when I was in Jersey in Ghana, we used to buy pies with egg filling. That was so delicious. So I'll use my finger to make the dots all over. I'm giving you a close view of how I achieved the first one. So please do subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time, kindly share with your friends and family, and also follow me on Instagram at Lovely Lifestyle. So I'll use the fork to poke and make holes in there for easy evaporation as well. I'm going to use evaporated milk. You can use egg, but I prefer the evaporated milk because you don't waste any milk at the end of your baking, and it gives you the same golden brown color that you want. You get the same achievement using egg. So you bake it, and this is the result. It looks so yummy. And please, if you try this recipe, kindly send me a photo on Instagram at Lovely Lifestyle. I would love to see yours. And minimum is a hat the Sunday. Nango Posichena. With the same channel. Lovely Lifestyle. Margarine.